Hey there, my name is Chidimma. Get ready to dive into the dynamic world of great design at Bismarck School of UI/UX Design and Front-End Web Design and Development. If you are dreaming of becoming a UI/UX designer and a front-end web developer, you are in the right place. UI/UX design and front-end web design are not just skills, they are global game changers in high demand. For over 12 years, Bismarck has been your tech ally, equipping individuals like you with tech skills that not only fuel your passion, but also fill up your pocket with cash. We believe in practical learning that is not just current, but meets the demands of the dynamic workplace. Bismarck Tech School is different from the traditional university institution. We are a tech school for individuals looking to gain practical hands-on digital skills and kickstart a career in tech. In this school of UI/UX and front-end web design, you are not just going to learn skills, but you will learn a series of skills that will make up a career path for you from the beginning to the advanced level. You won't become job ready immediately after this training. At Bismarck, we are not just a tech school, we are your launchpad to a thriving career in UI/UX design and front-end web design. Are you ready to kickstart your journey? Visit our website now and take the first step towards becoming a complete expert. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the School of UI/UX Design and Front-End Web Design. Don't forget, the world is going digital and only the digitally inclined are favored. Bye.